Hi, in this video, I will show you how to adjust email notification settings. qTest comes standard with popular email notifications based off trigger events and information templates. As a project admin, I can turn on the notifications that my project team cares about and deactivate the ones they find unnecessary. However, if you want to create your own trigger events and templates, click the Add Event button. Choose which types of users need to be notified within this email notification, and then start building out the variables you want to include in the template. In this example, I want to be notified at the test run level if an environment has been changed. To test this, I changed the environment on a test run from Firefox to Chrome. As soon as that happened, I checked my email box and I received the correct email notification. And that's it! You now know how to use the notification settings in qTest.